Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to download the latest Selenium Chrome driver for your web scraping application. So inside Selenium you will know that if you want to do any kind of web scraping. So web scraping is the kind of application where you scrape any sort of data from the website without using the API. So the popular library of web scraping in Python is Selenium, and this is a testing library. So it's a kind of framework. It's completely open source. So whenever you want to do it for any web browser, let's suppose you're using Google Chrome, you need to download its separate Chrome driver executable. So you need to first of all search for your browser. What is my browser version? It tells you which browser you are using it. So I am using Google Chrome version 103, and then I will search for Selenium Chrome driver download. So this is a lot of process which is involved here. You need to manually go to this website and download specific version driver, and this will be a zip file. You need to manually extract that zip file and paste the Chrome driver executable inside your root file wherever you are developing the project. But let me just show you a simple Python script which will automatically download the zip file and extract the executable automatically. So this is the Python script which is required, guys. 21 lines of code is required here, which will automatically download the zip file and extract the Chrome driver which is required for Selenium library. So this is a code here. Let me run this code for now, and then I will write it step by step. So if I run this script here, python app.py, so just notice at the left hand side it will download the zip file. You will see automatically it will extract the content, and you will now see executable which is present here. If I show you this executable, this is the executable. You can see 11 megabytes. So it has gone to this website here. Whatever your version is, it will automatically detect, and it will download the zip file from here. If you now click the zip file here, depending upon your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac, Linux, it will automatically detect whichever operating system you're using. Depending upon that, it will download the zip file and extract the content. So this is all which is done by this Python script. So every time if you're developing a web scraping application, you will first of all execute this script which will automatically download the web driver for your Selenium application. Now let me write this script step by step. If you also want to get this script, guys, I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website Coding Shiksha. So this is the blog post. Link will be there inside the video description of this live stream. So simply you can go to the description of this live stream. I have given the link here. So inside this you will now find out the Python script here. So now let me write this script step by step, guys. So let me delete this Chrome driver.exe file. So just make app.py and make sure Python is installed on your machine. And first of all, guys, we will require the request module. We will also get wget to make the request, and we will import zip file. This is the module which will download the zip file, extract all the content which is present inside the zip file. So for building this project, you will require these two libraries. So make sure that you install this pip install wget and also zip file. So just make sure that you install these modules. I have already installed it, and the built-in module of operating system. After that, guys, you will put the URL to which you need to download the zip file. So this is chromedriver.storage.googleapis.com. So here you need to put the dynamic here latest release. So whatever is the latest driver version is there, it will automatically get downloaded. So we have put here latest release, that's why. And now we will make the request. So now to make the request, there is a get method, and we will pass the URL. That's it. So now the response will be present inside this response variable. So now to get the version number of the Chrome driver, we can simply say response.text. This will exactly tell you the version number which is downloaded. After that, we need to download the zip file. So now to download the zip file, it is very easy. You again need to call the same URL, storage.googleapis.com. This time you will concatenate your version number. Put a slash, and after that you will put your version number like this, concatenated version number. And also after this you will concatenate Chrome driver dot win32 zip. So if you're building it for Linux, you will put your Linux operating system, but I'm using the Windows system, so that's why I will put Chrome driver underscore win32. So Windows 32.zip. That's it. So this is the path which we need to download. So now basically, now to download the zip file, it is very easy. We will use the wget library. So latest driver zip, I will call this variable, and wget dot download, and then we will pass the download URL and the name of the file. So whatever name you can give here, guys, I will give this name as Chrome driver dot zip. That's it. So now if you just execute this script right here, if you don't extract it, just notice that at the left hand side it will download the zip file. You can see now it has downloaded the zip file. Now we need to actually extract the content which is present inside this file. If I tell you this is the zip file here, you will see that. So there are various softwares which are available to open this file. There are WinRAR, all these softwares which are there. 7-zip is also there. Now to open it programmatically using Python, we have a library which we will use. So the library is pretty simple, which is zip file, in order to extract all the content which is present inside this zip file. So now we will simply use with zip file, and there is a method out there, guys, which is zip file, and here we need to pass the name, which is latest driver zip, and we will read this. So we will open this in read mode like this, and we will call this as a zip ref like this, and inside this, guys, zip ref, there is the extract all method which will extract all the files which are present inside this. So this is the 2 lines of code, guys, which we have written, which will actually extract the content which is present inside this. If I now run this, you will now see it has extracted the file which is present inside the zip file. Lastly, we can also remove this, so we don't need the zip file. So now to remove that zip file from, we can use operating system dot remove latest driver dot zip. That's complete the Python script, guys. So now if I run this Python script, you will now see, firstly it will download the zip file, extract it, and now lastly it will delete the zip file. So this is all the Python code which is required, guys, to download the Selenium Chrome driver automatically inside your machine, without having to going to the website to first of all know the Chrome browser version and then manually going to the download page and downloading it. So it makes all the tasks way lot easier whenever you're developing any sort of web scraping kind of application. So it's a very good Python script, guys. Hopefully you will like this video. All the source code will be there inside video description. You can go to the blog post and copy paste all the source code. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next stream.